Welcome to today's daily message. Throughout this week, we've been taking a look at some of the important aspects of Jesus' mission and his ministry. We've looked at his ministry of healing, his ministry of feeding, his ministry of wandering, and his ministry of equality. And we have said that what makes these four aspects of his ministry, what ties them all together, is that when Jesus was doing these things, he was making God more visible, more present in the world. And these ministries of healing, feeding, wandering, and equality are our calling and our ministry as well today as Christians. So we are called to help heal where there is brokenness in our families and in our communities. We are called to help feed those in need of nourishment, whether it be nourishment of body, mind, or soul. We are called to wander, and what that means is we are called to place our ultimate trust, our deepest sense of security in God, more than anything else. And we are called to be persons of equality. We are called to treat every human being as a brother or a sister of the one God. And when we do these things, we, just like Jesus, make God more visible. We make God more present in the world. That is our gift. That is our ministry. That is our calling. Again, thank you for watching. Have a good weekend, and we hope that you'll join us again next week for the Daily Message.